743. Oh my god! Oh my god! Whoa! He was flying!
Wait, what happened?
Whoa! You were flying!
I'm
Whoa!
flying?
Oh my god!
I'm God. I'm God. I'm God. What are you talking about?
Is this on Nightmare? Yes.
So guys, I'm gonna go by myself. How do I turn off my flashlight?
X.
Okay, I'm gonna run to the dark
where's the new
without my
guy?
flashlight.
Where's the new guy? Where's the new guy?
What?
Where's the new guy?
I have played Slender.
Okay, that's Tyler. Yeah. Is Miguel the guy? Is Miguel the... Okay, so Miguel's the guy.
I'm the chick.
The guy.
Turning my flashlight on.
Hey, guy. Which one? Blonde hair or red hair?
Red.
Okay. Blonde-haired guy. Hey, look at me. Look at me. I'm right here strobing my flashlight. Look at me. Hey, no offense. Better with the light off.
I think this is the best chance
I
of
don't know.
survival. Ah! My controller just vibrated.
What the hell?
Ooh, a lighthouse, a windmill.
Oh,
Ooh, I see something. What's that? What's that? Guys, I got something, so I beat the game, right? I got it. Oh, you have to press A? So you have to walk along.
This just be summer love.
I didn't. I don't know which one is you. Are you the Italian, robust-looking guy?
Yeah.
Is this you right here?
Yeah.
Is this?
This
Hey,
is Green
look,
Lantern
something.
thing.
Woo! Ah! Ah! Oh my god, my screen and my controller are making noises. I didn't go to the thing. I may have walked a step closer to it than you did, but hey.
Miguel's about to die.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god!
Well, we've been good so far.
Guys, I'm dead.
Hey, look, green stuff. So what do we... Why are we out here? Why are we in the forest? I thought we were just having a picnic. Disappeared.
Why does your investigation?
Dude, he's a robust Italian.
Why?
Because he's gay. What?
What the hell?
I'm not cool enough to be SEO. I'm it's name You can be Connor. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, I don't see.
Ah!
I have absolutely no idea where he is.
So guys, I'm confused.
Oh, you got him but me.
I saw ooh, statues! Let's go dance.
Yeah, look behind them. Look behind them. Look behind them. You'll notice.
They're
look.
missing,
Yes, there are. Look, yes, there are. Come here, Miguel. Look, yes, sir, there's obvious. Oh, shoot!
Ah!
Oh, my God! Oh, my. Oh, my.
I'm scared. I'm scared.
Nani! What the hell?
What kind of music are you listening to?
It's not me. Who is it?
Whoa, is that a guillotine? Dude, look, a guillotine. Can I go get my head? Guillotine? Can I go get my... Hey, dude, Tyler, come chop my head off. Take recording for girls. Okay.
Damn it, I can't see.
So guys, I think we should play this game with our lights off. I think we should play the game with our flashlights off.
I'm like stuck on nothing. There it is.
Also, why did we come out here at nighttime? Why did we come today when there was a sun?
I think we did.
Or we just... We having like a picnic or something? Do a bridge. Guys, watch out for the walls. Watch out for the bridge. Dude, I'm staying on this bridge. Screw y'all. This is the safest place in the game. Oh god, he's behind me!
Oh, look at it!
Behind me! No, he was behind me and he was in front of me and on a cabin. And he's coming after me. Going in the cabin, because I mean, this is the safest place in the world. From every scary movie in the world I've ever seen in the woods, a cabin is the safest place. What's up, guys? So, it really does. I think you touched him.
Who's behind me? Oh shit, he's somewhere.
I wanna be all of you. I don't know.
We're in like a, there we go. We're open.
Who is it?
No, that's not me. I'm right here.
So back. We're all Tyler. Are you like the brown hair or the blonde one?
I'm. We're all in the freaking cabin. What the hell are you talking about?
Look, I think I got it.
Yes, dude, look. Oh boy.
Have y'all ever won at this game?
No, but I know what happens.
Yeah, do we all die?
No, you become the monster.
Sounds like
Like
fun.
whoever gets it. Like eventually they make you automatically.
What the heck?
And the
Oh,
one person that's left, let's see, turn into like. Oh shit! There he is. Okay.
Can I jump in the river? Cause I just want to go away from this place. No, seriously. Also, why can't
Where are we all?
why can't we just go daytime? Like, why do we have to come out in the middle?
Dude, he's right there. He's right there. Did none of you, anybody else see him? He's behind us to the right.
Dude, you're seeing stuff.
Ah!
Trying to make scary noises. So guys, I'm
so like. Hey.
Oh my god! My screen just flashed with lights and colors and I think I'm gonna die.
You know that all the time.
No. Oh my god, he's right there. So, yeah. Guys, I think I'm losing y'all. Oh wait, over here. Yeah, I've never...
Like, it may not mean nothing to y'all.
So is this just like an...
thing which
This just like... I'm dead! Mommy, I peed in my pants. What the heck? What? Ooh, I see lights that are red. I see red lights. Don't walk in! Stay in one place. Hey guys, what's up? Y'all, I'm like right behind y'all. Turn around and you'll see me. So what am I looking for? What am I supposed to do now? Okay, that's cool.
You can't see him though, like if he or whatever it is, it pops up. Like we can see him and we'll be like, ah, you just can't see him. Oh, like just like right there.
So yeah, I can't say anything. God, I'm still part of the group. Don't, because I'm the first.
Oh damn!
Tyler, I'm sitting here right behind you. I'm gonna stay right behind you.
Where is everybody? I'm lost. Oh, I see you guys. Okay. There he is! Damn it! He's got me. No, he can't, but my screen's really fuzzy.
How did he get me though? I mean, like,
It sounds like heavy rain music.
dude, I was right next to all the entire time.
This is Heavy Rain's 2 official soundtrack maybe. No, I'm just kidding. That'd be cool though. They need to make a Heavy Rain. And they need to Xbox. They probably won't. It's a PlayStation exclusive.
Stupid.
That'd be great right there. And Shelby's like, hey, I'm a raping it. It all depends what version you have. That's why they won't make another one.
You're dead.
Damn it.
What a scream.
They are making a whole different series. It's called Beyond Two Souls. Well, no, like you have a girl, like it's abandoned as a child, and she has like superpowers. Like when you're doing like you want to play karate, whatever, and you like it. I'm pretty sure it's only for. Oh my God, I'm muting him. But yeah, but like, it's like how you have to flip the controller, the joystick, whichever way, or whatever, second or whatever.
That chick is dead.
Who just died?
The other chick. The other chick.
Damn it, he's right there.
Now it's left to the 2 men. No one else is screaming. Now it's up to Taylor. Tyler,
Damn it.
why did they come after me first? It's like they knew it. I was never good at slenderming. Oh, didn't they? Dude, don't worry, right behind you. You know what? They're back though. No. You are dead. Really? I'm not. Why did everybody else without me? Oh yeah, dude. Actually, I found 2 of them. Dude, I walked. I had 3 screams. Well, you know what? I am scared. Replay. Map is confusing. Wait, what's literally this big? We went around the same place like 20 times. What the heck?
That's what they always say.
That one I died.
Shut the fuck up.
What is that noise? Holy crap, what is that noise?
Okay, wait. Was Karate Kid doing that? No, it's not.
No, I'm not doing it.
Is it Karate?
No,
Alright,
it is
then
not.
it's the GFY Killer.
I don't know, I just hear people making noises.
Oh yeah, I'll just say it's music. Taylor Owens music because of your mic. I'm freaking hungry. I'll be right back.